The XIP Platinum Passion Eyeshadow Collection contains 12 amazing colours with a mixture of matte and shimmer shades. We will show you how to create a really easy, natural-looking smoky eye. First, select a paler shade of your choice. Apply to the lid, brow bone and inner corner of the eye. Next, we are going to select one of the deeper shimmer shades to apply to the lid. Select a deep matte shade to blend into the crease and the outer corner of the eye. Make sure you continue to blend with a brush to soften the colour. With a fine angled brush, apply a dark shade along the upper lash line. Make sure you clean the brush and then apply a paler shade of your choice and run it halfway across the lower lash line. Then select a deeper shade and run along the outer corner of the lower lash line and smudge well with the brush. Repeat the same steps on the other eye. The XIP Professional Opal Black Double-Ended Mascara is an amazing professional tool that will help create a false lash effect and really open up the eyes. Starting with the large wand, apply the mascara to the upper lashes, ensuring you coat every lash. Finally, using the smaller wand, apply the mascara to the lower bottom lashes. Repeat the same steps on the other eye. With the innovative XIP wand, you will capture even the finest of lashes, and this will create a beautiful wide-eyed doll effect.